Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the 2025 Vivo V40, staying under 800 words and structured into intro, features, design, and a conclusion without using quotes, numbers, or headings. Welcome to FK iPhone, your go-to spot for everything cutting edge in the Android world. Today we're diving into the Vivo V40, one of the most anticipated mid-range flagships of this year. Vivo has been gaining momentum recently with its design-forward approach and photography-focused devices. So, let us see what the Vivo V40 brings to the table in 2025. Starting with performance, the V40 comes packed with power. It runs on the latest Snapdragon chipset, which means you're getting a smooth multitasking experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple apps. The phone is super responsive, with fast app loading times and minimal lag. Whether you're browsing social media or editing photos, the performance holds up remarkably well for a phone in this category. Now let's talk about the display. Vivo didn't hold back here. The V40 offers a vibrant AMOLED screen with a refresh rate that keeps everything looking fluid. The brightness levels are impressive, making it easy to use even under strong daylight. Colors pop without looking too saturated, and the touch response feels precise. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go, the visual experience is immersive. Battery life is another strong point. With smart battery management and fast charging support, the V40 easily gets you through a full day of usage. Even heavy users will appreciate how reliable the battery performance is. The fast charging system is capable of getting the phone back up and running quickly, which is a huge plus when you're on the move. Let us not forget the camera system. Vivo is known for pushing boundaries in mobile photography, and the V40 is no exception. The main sensor captures clear, detailed shots in daylight and holds up pretty well in low light conditions too. The ultra-wide lens expands your shooting options, and the portrait mode creates smooth, natural background blur. For video creators and content lovers, the stabilization works effectively, reducing shakes and helping you record smoother footage. Selfie lovers will also find plenty to love here. The front camera captures detailed and balanced selfies, with features like AI beauty modes that can be adjusted according to your taste. Video calls and stories look sharp, and the wide-angle capability makes it great for group selfies. On the software side, the phone runs the latest version of FontOS OS based on Android. The UI is cleaner and faster compared to previous versions. There are a few custom features built in like gesture controls and dynamic wallpapers, but nothing feels bloated. You get a good balance of customization without the phone feeling heavy or cluttered. Now let us talk about the exterior. The Vivo V40 stands out with its elegant design. The back panel has a smooth matte finish that resists fingerprints, and the subtle color gradients give it a premium look. The camera module is neatly placed and doesn't bulge too much. The edges are slightly curved, giving it a comfortable in-hand feel, and the build quality is solid. It feels like a flagship without the flagship price. The in-display fingerprint scanner is quick and reliable, and the haptics have improved too, giving subtle but satisfying feedback. Vivo also includes stereo speakers that sound decent for both calls and media playback. While it may not beat high-end audio systems, it gets the job done and adds to the overall media experience. Connectivity features are up to date, with support for 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and dual SIM options. It also includes NFC for quick payments and data sharing. Whether you're a traveler, a remote worker, or just someone who needs reliable network access, the V40 covers the essentials well. So, wrapping it up, the Vivo V40 is a strong contender in the mid-premium segment. It balances performance, design, camera capabilities, and battery life in a way that makes it ideal for a wide range of users. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just wants a sleek and reliable smartphone, the V40 checks a lot of boxes. That's it for today's review. If you're thinking of upgrading your phone this year and want something that looks great, performs well, and won't burn a hole in your pocket, the Vivo V40 deserves a serious look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Would you like a version with timestamps or formatted for a voiceover recording?